Great farmers is another day. I want you to know that the farming activity in Nigeria has been favored by the government of our current leadership. It has given boost to farming activity in this country, and I want you to take part of it. Whichever one you can, make sure that this 2025 you cultivate the land, you rear an animal according to number you can, but make sure you take part in 2025 agricultural practice. You can never afford to buy every single thing you eat from the market. Invest in agriculture, invest in Nigeria, and let Nigeria be great. Thank you. Help us to like, share, and subscribe for this channel, as it will go a long way to reach other farmers, other people, get this knowledge we have passed out this morning. Thank you. Great farmers.